In this video, I'll show you how to send photos on TikTok message. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your TikTok. If you are chatting with your friend, with your family, and you love to send them photos or pictures, what you need to do now, if you come on it, there's an option for you to be able to do that. So what I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that well enough. So I'm using my Google Drive. I'm using my drive for this. So I'm going to upload my drive. I'm going to click on this plus icon. I'm going to click on upload file. So you're going to be able to select the photo you want to send to the person, the photo or the picture you want to send to the person. So I'm going to do mine now. Okay, right now this is the picture or the photo I want to send to the person on TikTok message. So what I need to do now, once this has loaded up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy the link. So I'm going to send it to them on their inbox. So I'm going to tell them to open it, right? So once they open it, it's going to be able to load up and they're going to be able to see the photo or the picture I just sent them here on the TikTok message. This is how you can do this. I'm pretty sure this is going to work out well for you. So if you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.